Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the FritzenLab blog and one more video for you. Today we are going to talk about the MQTT. MQTT is a protocol for transporting data from devices, from edge devices to the internet, to any server on the internet. MQTT stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, which is a lightweight and fast protocol for transporting data. The hardware I'm going to be using is this one. Let me show you. It is based on a Seed Studio XL ESP32C6, which is a Wi-Fi chip. It features a sensor, this red board. It is a HTU21D, which is a temperature and humidity sensor. So what we are doing is we are relaying temperature and humidity information every 60 seconds to the internet. I'm relaying this information to the Adafruit website. The way we connect this is we have this power outlet, this cell phone charger in here. We connect our hardware to the power outlet, put the power outlet in the wall, and then it starts sending data to the internet. So information is sent, as I said, every 60 seconds. You have temperature and humidity every 60 seconds. In my experience, I've been running this setup for a couple of days now. It doesn't drop, the connection doesn't drop, it just works. I'm sending data to, as I said, to the Adafruit website, and I have an app called MQTT Dash. Again, MQTT Dash. I can have the information of temperature and humidity from the sensor straight in the palm of my hand on my cell phone through this MQTT Dash app. So information about schematics and codes for this board is going to be, you are going to find this on FritzenLab.net or FritzenLab.com.br. Again, FritzenLab.net or FritzenLab.com.br. See you guys next time.